Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you need to upgrade your silverware? If you want to, then you need to get this beautiful, elegant set from TrendyWorld. This is a gorgeous set that comes with 6 different utensils and equals 30 pieces so that you can really eat in style. It's a beautiful set made with stainless steel, nice quality metal, and I'm really impressed by the features as well as the durability and the craftsmanship on this set. For one thing, it's hand stamped on every one with their name, and everything is nice and clearly legible, making this look like a finely made set. On the ends of each piece, it has a beautiful lotus kind of floral design, and the etching on it is absolutely stunning. I'm really impressed also with the beautiful shine on all of these pieces. Whether I hand washed it or put it in the dishwasher, the set came out really, really well, and it still has that beautiful, beautiful shine. This set is perfect for everyday use, really making you feel like you can eat it in style. And I love that it comes with 6 pieces, making it perfect for a family or for a couple having people over. The butter knives are your typical butter knives, but they cut really well, and all of the forks and spoons are the perfect size for each use that they have. If you're looking for a set that will really up your game when it comes to looking really glamorous and elegant, then you need to check this one out. It is definitely a keeper, but that's just my point of view.